So I started earning 21,000 rupees a month. And I thought investing is for people who make big money, 50,000, 1 lakh rupees. You know, like those high-earning tech guys. Not for someone like me. I'll start investing when I earn more. And so months passed, and nothing changed. No extra savings, no investments, just surviving. And then one day I heard, you don't invest after you get rich. You invest to get rich. That hit me hard. I realized I was wrong. I wasn't investing because I was scared to invest. I could have started investing a lot earlier. First, I started with just 500 rupees. Yes, just 500 rupees. I invested that 500 rupees in a mutual fund, and then I cut down 1 food delivery per week and saved an additional 1,000 rupees. I tracked my spending and saw that I was wasting at least 2,000 rupees every month. That became my SIP. It's been a few years since I started investing, and it's not just my money that has grown, but also my mindset. Investing small amounts has made me think long-term. It has taught me to avoid unnecessary purchases and focus on what truly matters to me. Investing has given me the power to build wealth and create the life I want. I'm not saying you should invest all your money. I'm saying you should start investing some money. If you can invest 25,000 rupees, you will be unstoppable. If you earn 50,000, 1 lakh, or even 25 lakhs. Because wealth is not about the amount of money you have. Wealth is about financial freedom. And financial freedom starts with a decision to invest. I know it can seem scary at first, but trust me, it's worth it. Don't wait till you have all the answers. Just start with what you have. Even if you can only invest 500 rupees, do it. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll reach your goals. And remember, it's not about the amount you invest. It's about building the habit. Once you develop that habit, you will become unstoppable. So are you ready to take control of your finances? Are you ready to start investing today? Let me know in the comments below. I know you can do it.